Hey, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency that specializes in search engine optimization and helping to get local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more business. And I was doing a keyword search for Charleston Roofing, and this is what came up on page 1 that I wanted to draw your attention to. In the top is some ads. Under that is what we call the map pack. You may recognize some of these companies. This is the organic rankings where you'll see some of your competitors. Charleston Roof. This is just a directory. Baker Roofing, Charleston Roofs in Windows. So what I did was I started looking for your company and found you on page 5 down, here we go, Willow Ash Roofing. And you may or may not know that about 80% of all new searches choose one of the top 3 search results. So I'm sure you'd like to be on page 1 to get a good portion of those new customers. That could easily double or triple your revenues just by being on that first page. So I noticed a couple of things about your site. First of all, it's very nice. Great picture. Little information about you. And I know you've got some testimonials down here, which is always a nice touch as well. There's a couple things that you can do that will improve your ranking. One is that Google likes to see your #1 heading be the city and the keyword. Remember, the city and keyword was Charleston, keyword roofing. And here you've got roofing services. And the reason how we found that out was we put this into an analyzer. Your URL came up roofing services. So if you just change that to the city, Charleston, and the keyword roofing, that will improve your rankings there. The other thing is your metadata or title tag is Isle of Palms, United States, Willow Ash Roofing. And that shows up here in the blue line. That's your title tag and your URL, and then this is a description. So if you change that to be congruent with this keyword search as well as your heading, to put Charleston Roofing, and then you can put a vertical line, and then Willow Ash Roofing, Isle of Palms, if you like to, then that will really boost your rankings to where Google trusts your site more. And that's what you want to do, is you want to get Google to trust your site. The sites that Google trusts, that's the ones that they rank the highest, because they are in it for the end user, and they want their users to have a good search experience. So if you do these things that are congruent with what people are searching for, they will find you, and you'll get a lot more of that business. So hopefully that helps. Those are some things that you can do yourself, or I'll be glad to help you with it. But just wanted to share that with you, and hope you have a good day. Thank you.